Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
Locate the student record by clicking the Students tab on the navigation bar and click Student IEPs. Click on the student record icon. Navigate to the Pages drop-down menu on the right and click the CalPAD student page. You will find the Special Education Program exit date at the bottom of the page. Enter the student's exit date. Then enter the Special Education Program exit reason code, no longer eligible, and click Save. Click the Error Check button and fix any CalPADS errors. From the Pages drop-down menu, select CalPADS Services. Verify that the student services have been discontinued. On the right, click the Exit button. Verify the exit date and reason code. You may enter any comment needed and then click the Exit Student button.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.